4 cups of strong flour, 7 grams dried yeast, 2 spoons of sugar, 400 ml lukewarm milk, 1/4 cup of oil or melted butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Turn your mixer on low speed. Increase the speed. Continue until it clings to the hook and cleans the side. You'll know your dough is kneaded enough when it feels smooth and elastic. Cover and let it rise. Dough has risen. Dust the table. Pour the dough on the table. Divide the dough in half. Let's make cinnamon rolls first. Prepare cinnamon filling. 1 cup softened butter, 1 spoon powdered cinnamon. If you like cinnamon, add as much as you like. 2 spoons brown sugar. Mix until well incorporated. Set aside. Roll the dough. Spread the cinnamon filling. Add raisins and crushed peanuts optional. Ready to roll. Cut into 12 to 13 pieces. Place onto a baking tray. Then allow the rolls to rise for 20 minutes or until nearly double. Let's make the nettle garlic buns. Divide the dough into 8 pieces. Shape the dough. Place onto a baking tray, cover and allow the rolls to rise for 20 minutes or until nearly double. Let's pick some nettles at the backyard. Wash and chopped. Chop garlic. Add oil, salt, then mix. Put the mixture on top of the buns. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Ready to bake. Place the cinnamon rolls and the nettle garlic buns in the oven. Bake for 22 minutes or until golden brown. Done baking, cool down a bit. Ready to serve. Enjoy! If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you!